single day. Something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hello everyone and welcome to MHC Tech Talks. In today's video, we are going to do the unboxing of a smartphone from Samsung which is called as Core M01. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, this is the retail box of Core M01 and this is the cheapest smartphone from Samsung, and the box price which is printed over here is 8,499, as you can see, but you get this variant at around 6,000 to 6,500. I mean, this is the 2GB variant which I have with me, as you can see over here. This is the 2GB variant, 2GB RAM and 32GB storage. Similarly, we also have another variant in which the RAM is 1GB and storage is 16GB. This one comes in three colors: black, blue and red. So I have black color. So let's unbox it and find out like what are all the box content. So first we have few documentation and a SIM ejector tool inside this. So I will keep this aside for now. No TPU case is provided. Then we have the smartphone itself, and finally we have the normal 5-watt charger. So this is the normal charger. So these are all the box content which we get with the Samsung M01 Core. So guys, these are the box contents. I mean, you cannot expect much from an entry level phone. So we get the smartphone and the charger. The charger is of micro USB type, and it is a typical 5-volt charger. So that is what we get, and this is the smartphone itself. And I must say, at this price point, it is quite robust and quite handy. I mean, it's quite compact, and you can easily hold this in your hand. So this is something very good. I'll quickly set up this phone and then we will talk about its physical overview, and then after using it for a while I'll be making an in-depth review of the same. So by the time I set this video, you can see the specifications of this phone on the screen.
Just set it on fire. 'Cause it don't mean nothing. Here's one for the night.
So guys, I have set up the phone and it is really compact and handy. So on the right hand side we have the power button and the volume rockers. Then on the left hand side we have the SIM tray, and this one has got the dedicated SD card slot along with the two SIM cards. So that is something very good. Then we have the front facing camera which is of 8 megapixel, and then at the top we do not have anything, and at the back bottom we have 3.5mm headphone jack. Then we have micro USB cable, charging port, and then we have the speakers and the noise cancellation mic. So this is what we have at the bottom side. Then on the back hand side we have this 8 megapixel camera and a flash, and we have the Samsung branding, and we have this texture. This is a polycarbonate, but at this price point we cannot expect much from Samsung. So in all, it is quite handy. And this one, the model which I have, has 2GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. The good thing is we have the expandable SD card slot, so you can expand your internal memory with that. And this one comes with the Android 10 Go edition. So that is the light version, because this one has got the Mediatek processor. I mean, it's a quite old processor, but with this software optimization, I think it would be working fine. Again, this phone is not recommended for heavy gamers. It is for someone like who is switching from a basic feature phone, or who is just using WhatsApp, Facebook and YouTube and some other social media. So this is a good phone if you are searching for your primary phone, or if you want to gift it to your parents, or if you want to buy it for your kids who would be attending the online classes. So this is the best phone, because we get the device from Samsung itself, and this is the cheapest phone from Samsung. And quality wise, I mean, at this price point I find this phone very good. So this was the initial impression and the unboxing of Samsung Core M01. I'll be using it for a while and then we will have the in-depth review, like what are all the good things of this phone and what are all the bad things of this phone. So guys, hope you like this small video about this Samsung Core M01. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. I will see you guys in next one.